Understanding, you might be right, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, you might be right. Understanding this phrase is crucial for English language learners because it's commonly used in everyday conversations. So, let's break it down together and explore its nuances to help you communicate more effectively in English. When someone says, you might be right, they're expressing a form of agreement, but with a hint of uncertainty or hesitation. It's a way of acknowledging another person's opinion or statement as possibly true, without fully committing to agreeing with them. This phrase is particularly useful when you're unsure about something but want to show respect for the other person's viewpoint. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In discussions or debates, when you want to acknowledge a good point without fully conceding your position. In casual conversations, to show openness to others' opinions or suggestions. When seeking compromise, as a way to soften disagreements and find middle ground. It's a polite expression that helps maintain a positive atmosphere during conversations, even when there's disagreement. The tone when saying, you might be right, is crucial. It can range from genuinely considering the other person's point of view to a more skeptical tone, implying that while you acknowledge the possibility, you're not convinced. The exact tone will depend on your facial expression, voice pitch, and the context of the conversation. Let's look at a few examples to understand how you might be right can be used. 1. Person A, I think the project deadline is next Friday, not this Friday. Person B, you might be right. Let me double-check the schedule. 2. Person A, watching educational videos can be more effective than reading textbooks for some learners. Person B, you might be right. It depends on the learner's preferences. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its role in acknowledging another's perspective while allowing room for further discussion or verification. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, you might be right. We hope this explanation helps you understand its meaning, usage, and the subtleties of tone and context that come with it. Remember, effective communication is not just about the words you use but also about how you express them. Keep practicing, and you'll find your conversations becoming more nuanced and engaging. See you in our next video.